Hello, my name is Momi Ford, and I'm the Director for Client Support in UITS. I'm here to remind you that the UITS Support Center is available to our IU community 24/7 to assist with your information technology questions. We are learning how to manage in this new world of remote teaching, learning, and working. Whether you need assistance troubleshooting audio and video on your home computer, using Zoom or IU Anywhere, or need help installing software, we have staff available on phone, email, and chat ready to assist. To find contact information, go to the UITS knowledge base at kb.iu.edu and search on Campus Support Center. Though our daily lives may look very different than a few weeks ago, we can work together to find a way to manage through these difficult times. Thank you, stay safe, and please take care of yourselves and those around you.